Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. I've here the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've just unboxed it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set this up for the first time. So let's get started. So we are at the hello screen. Just swipe up to get started with. In here select the language. Select here your region or country and appearance. Here you have to select how you would like the text and the icon size to look. You have medium and large. I prefer to go with default. Once selected, tap continue. Here quick start. If you have another iPhone, you can just simply bring it closer to this and transfer the settings. Instead, we are going to set this up as a new device, so set up without another device. So here you have to select whether you are setting this up for yourself or a child in your family. So I'm setting this up for myself. Let me tap here, create an iPhone passcode. So for the passcode, you have three different options here. First is the custom alphanumeric code, and the second is the custom numeric code and 4-digit numeric code. To keep it simple, I would like to go with 4-digit numeric code. Let me give 1 2 3 4 for now. It says this can be easily guessed, so use it anyway. I can change it later. Done. So transfer your apps and data, get your existing apps and information like photos, notes, reminders onto your new device. So here, if you have another device, you can simply transfer all your data, apps, your photos, videos and other things. So you can do this by downloading it from iCloud backup or from another iPhone or from your Mac or PC if you have backed it up using iTunes, or from an Android device. So we are going to set this up as a new phone, so don't transfer anything. Here you need to provide an Apple account to sign in with email, phone numbers, to use iCloud, the App Store and other Apple services. So I prefer to do this later. So in that case, you can tap on this option, forgot password or don't have an account. In here, you can either create an account now or set up later in settings. I prefer to do this later, so let me tap here. So are you sure you don't want to use an Apple account? Yes, don't use. And terms and conditions, just tap agree. Update your phone automatically, so future updates will be automatically downloaded and installed. I prefer to do it manually, so only download automatically, so I can install it later. So here iMessage and FaceTime. So people can connect you on all your devices with iMessage and FaceTime using your phone number or email address. You can tap continue, and location services will allow map and other apps and services like Find My together and use data indicating your location. So I would like to turn on location services. Tap here. Set up cellular. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or a scan QR code provided by your carrier. So here, if you have an eSIM, you can just transfer it from your nearby iPhone, or you can use the QR code to scan it if you have received it from your carrier. So instead, I'm going to set this up later in settings. Screen time, get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps. If you want to manage, you can tap continue. You can enable this, or you can set up later in settings. I prefer to set this up later in settings. And iPhone analytics, so helps Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your phone. If you like to share it, you can tap here. So if you do not want to share, tap don't share. Light or dark display, so here you can select different modes. So here it's dark mode and this is light mode, or if you prefer to keep it automatic, you can do that as well. So during the morning time it will be on light mode, and at night it will turn to dark mode. I prefer to keep it auto, so tap continue. So silent mode, here it says you can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in control center. So Apple wants you to know you can check the status on the control center as well, and also you can on and off. So here previously we used to get a silent switch, so the Apple has now replaced it with a customizable action button. So tap continue. So here's the action button. Press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. So here, instead of toggling it before, now you have to press and hold to enable or off silent mode. You can also customize this to work for some other features, like to enable focus mode or to use for camera, or to enable flashlight or voice memo or many other options. You can even use it for accessibility, or it can be used as a shortcut to open an app. You can select the app here, and once you have selected the action that it needs to perform, you can just tap continue. Camera control. So there's a new camera control button on the new iPhone 16 series. See, Apple wants you to know that you can click the camera control to open a camera app, and then click again to use camera control as a shutter. So if you press once, it will launch the camera app. If you press it again, it will capture a photo. If you long press, it will record a video until you release it. And you can just swipe to move around the options. So let's continue. So Siri, you can set this up here, or you can set up later in settings. I would like to set this up now. Tap continue. You have 5 different voices.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. Stars begin to shine through the clear night.
So select your preferred voice, then continue. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So just do that. Once done, tap continue. Improve Siri and dictations. So help improve Siri and dictations by allowing Apple to store and review audio interactions with Siri. If you like to share your audio recordings with Apple, you can just tap here, or you can just tap not now. Emergency SOS. iPhone is ready to help in an emergency. So these are few ways how you can use this phone during an emergency. You can just read through and tap continue. So we have completed the setup. All you have to do is just swipe up to get started with. So that's all you need to do to set this up for the first time. So you're on the home screen. You can see the native apps downloaded here. So in settings, if you go to Apple account, you can use another Apple device to log in or sign in manually. Or if you don't have an Apple account, you can just tap here and create an account. You can provide here the first name, last name, birth date, and continue. So if you come down here, you can change the wallpaper from here. You can add a new wallpaper. These are the few new wallpapers that comes with iOS 18. You can check this out. This is the dynamic wallpaper that changes, or if you scroll, you will find different colors. You can simply select the one that you want to continue with and simply add and set as wallpaper pair. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and please subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.